Okay, here we go. Episode 22. We're talking fabric tenant settings. We're getting into template app settings now. I think this could be bigger than what people are thinking it's going to be. All right, do you know much about template apps? Well, we're going to be running through them. We're going to talk about these settings. All right, so we're back inside of the template app or the admin section for Fabric. Let's talk about our first setting under the template app settings. That's publish template apps. All right, users in the organization can publish template apps for distribution to clients outside their organization. Right. So what does this basically allow you to do? You can create an app, a generic Power BI app, with reports, flows, all that stuff. Right, you could then put it inside of a template and then you can publish that out into like app source or out onto git, and then people can download it and install it, and then they can get that up and running inside their organization, right? Like, so if you go into like the apps and you look for apps that are outside of your organization, those are all app source apps, template apps that you can then download, install, and use yourself. All right, so this setting is if you want to allow people in your organization to create those template apps. Now, some organizations I could see why you'd say, you know what, no, we're not spending any time on that. I don't want people doing that, and turn it off. All right. So that's the thing. Next item, install template apps. Okay. So this is not created, but this is be able to use those template apps that are already in the store. So users in the organization could install template apps created outside the organization. When a template app is installed, an upgraded workspace is created. Oh, okay. So what does it mean by upgraded workspace? So at one point in time, there's a Gen 1 workspace, and then there was this upgrade workspace. Like, these are back before the dawn of mankind. And like, we had when Fire was first created and then Power BI was created, there were these old legacy workspaces. You don't have to worry about this anymore. I don't even think it's possible to have any of those legacy workspaces anymore. So this is not something to worry about. Uh, you could disable this or restrict who is able to do this inside your organization, but I mean, I don't really know of any like vulnerabilities this can create. So I mean, I'm open to like having this up. Like, leave a comment down below if I'm way off, like I don't know about something, but I try to stay on top of this stuff, so I think this is okay. All right. All right. Next item: install template apps not listed on App Source. Okay. Users in the organization who have been granted permission to install template apps which are not published on App Source. All right. So here's where you might run into some issues around the app that you're publishing. Right. The other ones, like if you're publishing or if you're consuming or using an app that went through App Source, getting an app through App Source sucks. It's super hard. It's like it just doesn't work, or I don't know. There's issues. It's not clear. It's a problem. I tried for like 4.5 months to get my auto docs thing on an App Source, and I don't know, just couldn't get it to work, and eventually just lost steam. So I could see why people would have apps that would be not on App Source that you might want to use. I'm gonna throw a big caution flag around this. Like, don't allow this for your entire organization. I don't think you're gonna have like it's not a huge risk, but you don't want just anyone to be in there doing that. Instead, like if you're going to allow this, allow it for select people in your organization who can look at that app, do an or evaluation of it to determine, does it do anything weird? Like, let's look at the code. Like, maybe it's fine, maybe it's not. Uh, you know, really do take a look at this before you allow people to leverage this. Okay. All right. That was it for this episode, episode 22 of Tenant Admin Settings. I hope you're finding this useful. I'm kind of enjoying creating these. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Glad that I'm just able to explain it to people so that I don't have to answer all the questions on it. You guys have a great day. Peace. Baker Tilly Digital combines strategic industry insight and advanced technical expertise to uncover and solve your digital transformation challenges. If you're interested in learning more, check out our website at bakertilly.com/digital.